Happy morning, students. Today, again, I am here with the new chapter of EVS second. Dear students, we have completed this chapter 2-3 times. We have taken revision also. Now, we are going to complete here question answers. See, carefully you have to write down these question answers because this chapter's question answers I have not given you in the notebook. Okay, so what we are going to do here now we are going to solve workbook, and after that from workbook some questions I will tell. Those questions you are going to copy in your notebook. Okay, so we will start with our workbook. So open your workbook, page number 24. All I open it? Very good. If you are not open, please hurry up fast. All students are waiting for you. Okay, and see, daily you have to complete your workbook with the video. If you will keep it pending, your workbook will be incomplete and never it will be complete. Okay, so today's work, today itself you have to complete. Understood? See, dear students, you are thinking that I will do afterwards, but these teachers, they require lot of time to complete one video. Okay, so it was very easy to teach you in the class, but this technically it takes more time. Okay, so whatever efforts we people are taking, you should get it properly. Okay, so all I open your workbooks, page number 24. See, standard 4th, lesson number 5th, Shivaji's education. Important points. As usual, I am going to read here important points. So within 2 minutes we can revise the chapter's important points. See here, education of Shivaji began at the age of 7 in Bangalore. He acquired knowledge of various branches of knowledge and arts by the age of 12 years. When Shivaji was 7 years old, at that time his education was started at the Bangalore, and till at the age of 12 years he has completed. At that time many skills and lot of knowledge he has acquired. Now second point, Shahaji Raje sent Jijabai and Shivaji to Pune when he went on a military expedition in Karnataka. The efforts of Jijabai and Dadaji Kondev rejuvenated Pune. Fourth point, Dadaji Kondev was an efficient man who looked after administration with devotion. He brought about many reforms. Shivaji acquired knowledge of administration and war tactics under the supervision of eminent teachers. Eminent means clever, sharp teachers. Jijabai was a freedom-loving person. She instilled the desire to establish Swaraj in the heart of Shivaji. The regime of Shivaji was established in the Jagir of Shahaji Raje. Shivaji was married to Saibai from the Nimbalkar's family of Fulton at the early age. Now question answers. Summative evaluation, written practice, question answers. Here question number 1. Shahaji Raje was a scholar of dash dash. Which language Shahaji Raje was scholar? Sanskrit, Kannada, Tamil. Very good. Answer is Sanskrit. People living in the Mawad region were called dash dash. Peasant, soldier and Mawlas. See, Mawad region, Mawlas. This one is the technique of this answer. Mawad region, Mawlas. Then third one, Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on an expenditure to conquer the states of Naikas in dash. So answer is Karnataka. Understood? दादाजी कोंडदेव was the Datash of Kondana. किल्लेदार, वतनदार और सूबेदार. So what is the answer? Subedar. 5 number. Sai Baba came from the Datash family of Fulton. Nimbalkar, Gorpade and Jadhav. So what is the answer? Nimbalkar. Understood? Very good. So Sai Baba belongs to Nimbalkar's family before her marriage. Question number 2. Complete the table. So see here, answers are there. Shamrao Nilkantha. Who was this? Peshwe. What is the answer? His designation is Peshwe. Balakrishna Hanmante Muzumdar. So what you are going to write here? Muzumdar. Mankochi Dahatonde. His designation Sarnobat. Mankochi Dahatonde Sarnobat. Raghunath Ballal Sabnis. Raghunath Ballal Sabnis. He was Sabnis. And Sonopanta, he was Dabir. Okay, so like this, these people and their designations. Copy it properly in your workbook. Now we will proceed to our next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. It is there on the page number 25. Page number 25. Name the persons. Subedar of Kondana. Who was Subedar of Kondana? Dadaji Konddev. Built Lal Mahal. Who built Lal Mahal? Dadaji Konddev. Next one, valiantly faced the shock of her father's murder. Jizabai. Then, name of Shivaji's wife. Name of Shivaji's wife, Saibai. Question number 4. Write the answers in one sentence each. Write the answers in one sentence each. Who appointed teachers for Shivaji and where? Shahaji Raje appointed teachers for Shivaji at Bangalore. Question number 2. What did the teachers teach Shivaji? The teachers taught Shivaji many sciences, branches of learning and languages. What is the answer? The teachers taught Shivaji many sciences, branches of learning and languages. Then third question is there. Why did Dadaji Konddev give concession in land tax to peasant? Why did Dadaji Konddev give concession in land tax to peasant? So answer is Dadaji Konddev gave concession in land tax to peasant to encourage them to till their lands. Then question number 4. Why did Shahaji Raje send Jizabai and Shivaji to Pune? Why did Shahaji Raje send Jizabai and Shivaji to Pune? Answer is Shahaji Raje sent Jizabai and Shivaji to Pune because he was sent on an expedition in Karnataka by Adil Shah. Now fifth question. What bitter lesson had Jizabai learned? Answer is Jizabai had learned the bitter lesson that the valor of the Maratha Sardars was not appreciated in the court of the Sultans. Valor means their courage. So Jizabai had learned that the bitter lesson that the valor of the Maratha Sardars was not appreciated in the court of the Sultans. Next question is, what shock did Jizabai face valiantly? Jizabai valiantly faced the shock of her father's murder in the open court at the instigation of Nizam Shah. Understood? Who was her father? Lakujirao Jadhav. He was killed in the open court of Nizam Shah. Write about Shivaji's marriage. In one sentence we have to write about Shivaji's marriage. So what we are going to write? See, Shivaji was married to Saibai from the Nimbalkar's family of Fulton. Shivaji was married to Saibai from the Nimbalkar's family of Fulton. Okay. Now, question number 5. It is also there on the same page. Give reasons. Pune was totally in shambles. Pune was totally in shambles. So answer is Pune was totally in shambles because it was devastated in the enemies of Shahaji Raje. The properties were damaged, houses and temples were demolished. Fields had become barren as the frightened people had fled to their villages. Okay, understood? Now next question. Dadaji gave concession in land tax for few years. This question was there in answer in one sentence also, and now it is here also. So answer, Pune Jagir of Shahaji Raje was devastated by his enemies. The frightened people had fled to their villages. To encourage the peasants to till their land, Dadaji gave concession in land tax for some years. Here you can write Dadaji. Okay. So like this. Now question number 6 and question number 7 we will see tomorrow. But from question number 6, this one question we will see here now. See, how was Pune rejuvenated? Answer is Jijabai reassured people that they would be safe in Pune. Reassured means assured them. People started cultivating their lands. Jijabai repaired dilapidated temples. The town was rejuvenated with thriving activities. Okay, so remaining question answers we will see tomorrow. Thank you very much.